Hello mga kapitbahay! This is Mayora Frances, your favorite home buddy, and today I'll take you on a day in my renovation series. So as you know, nagpaparenovate ako these days and kailangan ko na ng mga gamit, so I'll be shopping for things for my Nobi home. Kaya we are here at AllHome NOMO where we can find amazing prices with amazing deals. So ready ka na ba mabudol? Let's go! I've always shared with you my Nobi home. Kaya pati sa renovation project, kasama ko kayo. Tara! Of course, everybody knows how much I love AllHome. Lagi ko yung pinapost sa Home Buddies group. But for today, ako mismo ang mag-handpick ng items that I will be using for my renovation. And I can't wait to bring these home para makita na ng renovation team. So, kung ano yan, stay tuned. AllHome is known for being a builder's haven kasi nga it's really your one-stop shop from building to furnishing and until your renovation too. First, we have the DIY section or the hardware section. So this is where you can find all your DIY tools and even yung mga small wrenches, screwdrivers, even your nails, or yung mga lahat ng maliliit na anek-anek, even hinges that you can use for your first DIY project. Remember, we should not forget that AllHome also offers construction materials such as doors, windows, cements, and even tong mga anek-anek sa likod ko. Big or small, they have it all. And total package na talaga when you go to AllHome for your building project. Kasi nga naman, di ba, pag palipat-lipat, may tendency na may makakalimutan tayo. But with AllHome, lahat nandito na. For sure, isang bisita na lang, you have it all. I know most of you are familiar with AllHome, with everything na gamit sa bahay, from homeware, linen, furniture. But today, I want to flex, of course, the construction and renovation section. Yeah. And now we're here at one of my favorite sections. Did you know that AllHome branches, kahit anong branch pa yan, they've got tiles big and small, different sizes, different shapes, different colors, textures, materials, at alam niyo ba, may team kahoy tiles sila na sobrang mukhang kahoy. From afar, hindi ko talaga alam na tiles pala to. As in, napaniwala nila ako na kahoy to. Sobrang galing and amazing. And that was just a quick tour of the other things that you didn't know AllHome has. Now, for the real gem of my project, we'll find it here in the sanitary ware section. So here we have toilets, basins, shower heads, faucets, everything you need to make your bathroom super comfortable and super relaxing. And that was just a quick tour of all the other things you didn't know that AllHome has. But the real gems of my project are right here in the sanitary ware section. So I'm looking for my shower, of course, my faucet, my basin, lavatory. And I'm so glad that there are so many options that I can choose from. But I feel like I'm leaning towards this Toyer Gali shower head. Kasi medyo rainfall style, di ba? Kung gusto mong zen sa CR mo, gusto mo talagang nare-relax ka, nare-refresh ka, you opt for a bigger shower head. And this one is stainless, hindi kinikilawang. And meron siyang mixer for your hot and cold shower. So here, there are other options also. Depends on what you need. Meron yung mga nakahiwalay. But this one is ito yung nagugustuhan ng puso ko. But also kapartner niyan, I'm also looking at your faucet. So this one is for my lavatory in the bathroom. So I'm getting the taller one kasi I want to get a bigger lavatory basin. So at least ito, na-imagine ko na nakakasya siya. For my kitchen, pwede rin tong ito. At least mas malaki. So the bigger arch there is, mas makakapaghugas ka ng mga vegetables mo, mga fruits. So I think I want this one. Although the curved one are also very nice. And these are all still from the brand Toyer. Now for my basin, help me naman choose. Which one should I get? Ang dami kasing options, yun na nakakatawa. This one is nice. Pero parang it's a little too small for me. But it depends on your choice. You can have this or meron pa right there. Tingnan natin. So kanina I was looking for a basin na perfect for the size of my bathroom. I feel like I'm going with this one or with that one. I still can't choose, so abangan nyo na lang which one I'll really get on my renovation reveal. But maganda siya parehas. I just can't choose right now. What is a bathroom without a throne? Now this is the Toyer Manu Intelligent Toilet Bowl. Ako talaga, ininvestan ko tong toilet bowl na to. Sabi ko, because my room is Japanese inspired, why not get a Japanese inspired toilet? So this one is very smart. It's got built-in heater, it has built-in bidet, and it also cleans on its own. So very good investment, and it's also from Toyer. And all the brands that you just saw right here are exclusively available at AllHome. As in, oo, dito nyo lang mahanap sa AllHome yan. All those quality brands. At, ang maganda pa dyan, any AllHome branch will carry all these items. Kaya, wherever you are, all these items can just go home to you within your reach. Grabe, that was such a fun budol session here at AllHome. Pero it's always a fun shopping day naman here at our favorite one-stop shop. Pero guys, bye for now kasi shopping pa ako. Malay natin, we find things that we don't need, pero kailangan na natin kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng mga gamit dito sa AllHome. Kaya, see you later! Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AllHome's channel. You may also shop online at allhome.com.ph. Stay tuned for a renovation reveal video soon.